Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to do the treble crochet pop stitch. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we want to go ahead and do our slip knot, and we want to chain any multiples of 3 plus 2. So I'm going to go ahead and just do 12. Then we're going to do our plus 2. That'll be the foundation part for our pattern. And then I'm going to go ahead and chain 1 so I can jump into the top row and continue our work. So what you want to do is from the second chain from the hook, go ahead and double crochet all the way to the end of the row. Last 2 stitches, double crochet 1 and 2. So we turn our work and you want to chain 1. So double crochet in the first 2 stitches, so 1, 2, and here's where the treble crochet pop stitch comes in. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull through 1, pull through 2. You want to leave 2 right here. So let's do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 2. Now you got 3 little loops. Let's do this one more time. Insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 2, and now you have 4 loops. Pull through all 4, and voila! Very easy to do the treble crochet pop stitch. So then we'll double crochet in the next 2 spots. So 1, 2, and we'll repeat that pop stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 2, yarn over, insert 1, 2, yarn over, insert 1, 2, then pull through all 4. Double crochet 2, 1, 2. Let's do it again. Yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook, 1, 2, yarn over, 1. Whoops! Now if this happens, don't freak out. Just try to get your hook into all your little loops. Yes. And I was trying to do something. Voila! There we go. Easy peasy. Double crochet 2. And then yarn over, 1, 2, yarn over, 1, 2, yarn over, 1, 2, through all 4, and double crochet 1 and 2. And then you would just do your chain 1 and repeat. It's a very easy stitch, goes by really fast. And if you end up losing your work like I did, no big deal. Just pick up where you left off. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like. And if you feel so inclined, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I hope you have a happy crochet day.